I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by positioning the cursor where the landscape should start. This ensures only the desired pages change. Once positioned, open the Layout tab and choose Orientation, then Landscape. If you only want one or a section in Landscape, insert a Next Page section break first. That isolates formatting. Make sure to check the ruler and margins after switching, because orientation shifts can alter spacing and cause reflow of text and images. Now you control the middle steps. Use a Next Page section break at the end of the Portrait segment and another at the end of the Landscape segment so changes apply only where needed. Then open Page Setup from the Layout tab to confirm margins and paper size. Landscape flips width and height, so adjust margins to prevent clipped content. When you change settings, set Apply to this section so the rest of your document stays portrait. Maintaining consistent headers, footers, finish by reviewing headers, footers, and page numbers. If you need different header content in Landscape, unlink the sections so they can differ. Once done, confirm page numbers continue correctly or set them to restart as required. If layout looks wrong, make sure section breaks are present and placed correctly. Sometimes reapplying a Next Page break or clearing manual page formatting fixes it. If images or tables overflow, reduce width or change text wrapping to keep everything on the page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.